Hello everyone, welcome back to Palehistoric, and today I have yet another package with some really cool fossils in them, so let's get right into it. Alright, so let's open this package up. Got some handy dandy scissors here. Now, a little bit about this fossil. This fossil is actually quite rare. I don't really see this fossil available that often. And when you do get available, they're often sold out in a very short amount of time. So when I saw these, I was like, oh, I gotta pick them up as soon as possible. And I was lucky enough to get them. So that's exciting. So now I believe it's open. So let me try to hide my address here. Okay. So here it is, the bubble wrap. A good amount of bubble wrap again to protect the fossils. And I believe they are in here. So feel free to comment down below, what do you think these fossils are? Now, I will give you a hint. They are found in North America, which is part of the reason why they are quite rare, because this type of fossil isn't often found in North America, and that's what makes it unique. So let's see what it is. That is quite small, as you can tell, but let's see. Let's open it up now. And then they're in these little gem boxes again. Okay, so there's one. There's one of them. So let's look at this one first. So I'm gonna reveal it now. Ta-da! Wow, okay, that was somewhat anticlimactic. Okay. Oh, it fell out. Okay, so this is a piece of Maiasaura eggshell. Now, what's unique about this, so this is found in the Two Medicine Formation, and I believe Montana. And then, so oftentimes what you see on the market is that, or what you see available is that eggshells are from either China or Argentina. They were exported here before the ban, and they were so many of those eggshells were exported that they're pretty readily available even now. But in North America, these eggshells aren't often found. So to be able to have one of these fossils is pretty cool, and it's pretty rare as well. And Maiasaura is such a cool dinosaur too, because so Maiasaura means, its name means good mother lizard or good mother reptile. And whenever I think about Maiasaura, I always think about that Diego episode, or that Diego movie or whatever, where basically Diego and his friends have to help a baby Maiasaura, I think, back to its family, because Maiasaura are known to be loving mothers. There are lots of egg nests of them, and nesting colonies have been found with embryos and little baby skeletons. So to have an eggshell of one of these is quite iconic of Maiasaura. And this other fossil here is actually another piece of eggshell. If we open this up, as you can see, it's a bit smaller piece, but it's another piece of eggshell as well. So that's what's pretty cool. So yeah, you can expect videos of these to come up soon, and basically we'll be able to look at these under the microscope, and it'll be really cool to see these eggshell textures underneath the microscope. So yeah. And before we go, let's just take a quick look at each side of these eggshell pieces. So first one is this smaller one. So let's see if we get a pretty good look at this one. So that's that side. Then if we flip it over, you can see that they're quite thin. That's that side. So you can see how both sides have a little bit different textures, so probably one is the inner side and one is the outer. And then let's take a look at the bigger one, both sides. So we've gotten a pretty good look on this side so far. Now let's take a look at this other side. So yeah, you can see that this one seems a bit thicker as well, so that's pretty cool. So we could look forward to looking at these more closely in another video. Thank you all so much for watching, and please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell to help support this channel. Happy fossils!